Good morning, everyone. Our topic for today is about tungkol sa rules and regulations sa mga eroplano at mga barko. Narito ang mga idea. December 25, 2024, Wednesday. Mga paksa. Number 1, International Air Transport Association, EITA Guidelines. Number 2, International Maritime Organization or IMO Regulations. Number 3, Aviation Security Protocols. Number 4, Maritime Safety Regulations. Number 5, Passenger Rights at Sea and Air. Number 6, Emergency Procedures, Evacuations, Firefighting. Number 7, Cabin Crew Training Standards. Number 8, Passenger Screening at Airports. Number 9, Marine Pollution Prevention. Number 10, Cruise Ship Safety Regulations. Mga sanggunian. Number 1, International Civil Aviation Organization or ICAO. ICAO. Number 2, International Maritime Organization, IMO. Number 3, Federal Aviation Administration, FAA. Number 4, European Aviation Safety Agency, EASA. Number 5, World Health Organization, WHO, para sa COVID-19 protocols. Number 6, International Chamber of Shipping, ICS. Number 7, National Transportation Safety. Board or NTSB. Mga hashtag. Number 1, hashtag Aviation Safety. Number 2, hashtags Maritime Safety. Number 3, hashtags Passenger Rights. Number 4, hashtags International Guidelines. Number 5, hashtags Safety Regulations. Number 6, hashtags Travel Safety. Number 7, hashtags Transportation Security. Mga tip. Number 1, gamitin ang mga opisyal na sanggunian. Number 2, maging updated sa mga pinakabagong regulasyon. Number 3, magbigay ng mga halimbawa at larawan. Number 4, gumamit ng simpleng wika para sa madaling pag-intindi. Number 5, maglagay ng mga link sa mga sanggunian. Mga platform. Number 1, WordPress. Number 2, Blogger. Number 3, Medium. Number 4, Linkpost. Number 5, Facebook. Maritime Safety. Mga paksa. Number 1, International Maritime Organization, IMO Regulations. Number 2, Safety of Life at Sea, SOLAS Convention. Number 3, Marine Pollution Prevention. Number 4, Cargo Handling at Sea. Number 5, Emergency Response Planning. Number 6, 5 Safety on Board. Number 7, Life-Saving Appliances or LSA. Number 8, Navigation Safety. Number 9, Maritime Security. And the number 10 is the Crew Training at Safety Standards. Mga sanggunian. Number 1, International Maritime Organization, IMO. Number 2, International Chamber of Shipping, ICS. Number 3, World Maritime University, WMU. Number 4, International Association of Classification Societies, IACS. Number 5, Maritime Industry Authority, Marina, para sa Pilipinas. Mga hashtag. Number 1, hashtag Maritime Safety, hashtag Safety at Sea, hashtag IMO Regulations, hashtag Marine Pollution, hashtag Crew Training, hashtag Emergency Response, hashtag Maritime Security, and hashtag Navigation Safety. Mga tip, gamitin ang mga opisyal na sanggunian. Magbigay ng mga halimbawa at larawan. Gumamit ng mga simpleng wika. Maglagay ng mga link sa mga sanggunian. Maging updated sa mga pinakabagong regulasyon. Mga karagdagang impormasyon. Number 1, mga estadistika ng maritime accidents. Number 2, mga teknolohiya para sa kaligtasan. Number 3, mga patakaran sa kaligtasan ng mga bansa. Number 4, mga kaso ng maritime accidents. Number 5, mga solusyon para sa mga problema sa kaligtasan sa dagat. Meaning of IATA, International Air Transport Association. Guidelines refer to the standards and recommendation set by IATA for the global air. Transport industry. IATA is a trade association representing over 290 airlines worldwide. Key areas covered by IATA guidelines. Number 1, aviation safety, standards for aircraft maintenance, pilot training, and operational safety. Number 2, security, measures to prevent unauthorized interference with civil aviation. Number 3, passenger services, the guidelines for ticketing and baggage handling. And passenger rights. Number 4, cargo handling standards for cargo transportation including dangerous goods. Number 5, airport operation, recommendations for airport management, ground handling, and airdrome safety. Number 6, environmental protection guidance or reducing carbon emissions and environmental impact. Number 7, regulatory compliance, assistance with international regulations and laws. Benefits of IATA guidelines. Number 1, improve safety and security. Number 2, enhance passenger experience. Number 3, increase efficiency and productivity. Number 4, compliance with international regulations. Number 5, reduce cost and risk. Number 6, standardization across airlines and airports. Number 7, environmental sustainability. Examples of IATA guidelines. Number 1, IATA Dangerous Goods Regulations or DGR. Number 2, IATA, the travel pass for COVID-19 vaccination verification. Number 3, IATA baggage handling guidelines. Number 4, IATA Airport Handling Manual or EHM. Number 5, IATA Safety Audit Program. Resources. Number 1, IATA website link and available. Number 2, IATA publications and manuals. Number 3, IATA training programs. Number 4, IATA consulting services. Here are some valuable tips and advice for maritime safety. Pre-voyage. Number 1, safety briefings. Ensure crew understands emergency procedures. Number 2, vessel inspection. Check equipment, hull, and machinery. Number 3, weather forecasting. The plan routes according to weather conditions. Number 4, crew trainings. Verify certifications and competence. Onboard safety. Number 1, personal protective equipment or PPE. Use life jackets, hard hats, and gloves. Number 2, fire safety. Regularly inspect fire extinguishers. And suppression system. Number 3, slip, trip, and falls prevention. Clean up spills, source cables, and use non-slip mats. Number 4, emergency preparedness. Conduct regular drills, abandon ship, find, medical communication. Establish clear protocols for reporting incidents. Technology integration. Number 1, electronic chart display and information systems. Number 2, automatic identification system. Number 3, condition-based maintenance. Number 4, safety management software. Additional resources. Number 1, International Maritime Organization or IMO guidelines. Number 2, International Chamber of Shipping or ICS publications. Number 3, Maritime and Coast Guard Agency MCA regulations. Number 4, World Maritime University WMU training programs. Number 5, National Transportation Safety Board or NTSB. Hello, Ate Kakay, King Mark Ducar, Philippines of Alegria, Cebu. God bless!